Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. Hey, what's up guys? Joe here and welcome to 365 WebX. Today I'll be showing you how to create a folder using the command prompt, popularly known as CMD, aka whatever you call it. Now, to do that, let's just jump straight into the video. And here you just go to your window. I'm using Windows 11 here, and so you type in CMD. Okay, hit the window key on your keyboard, and of course this shows up, and type in CMD. That open, hit enter, and now we want to create a folder on the desktop. Okay, so what you do is you type cd desktop. Now we have entered our desktop directory. Okay, now we are on the desktop. This desktop you're looking at here, this is where we are. Okay, now we are going to say mkdir space, and I'm going to say 365 web x, hit enter. Now, how do you know this folder is created? We are going to enter 365, it doesn't matter, web x. Oh okay, sorry, cd space 365 web x. Here it is guys. So and even in here we can create another folder, but I'm going to show you that in another video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.